Hi. Today not today, oh. Guys, now some women like the tea. Man and woman who like the other pot pass, who like the doing pass. I not come know. So my friend, my sister, editorial. You know if you wait to go, it doing the doing. Girl, yesterday as I watched the video, she say after 1 month of CS, she meet her husband, she do. The thing sweet her. The thing sweet her. Touch. Hello beautiful families, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever the time you are going to see this video from. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you're just seeing my face for the first time, you are highly welcome. My name is Blessing, aka Lolo, aka Sexy Mother of 4. Welcome back to today's video. Welcome back to today's topic, guys. Today, my friend, my sister, Editorial carry me come here. Yesterday, I watched her video when she come to tell say she put to bed after 1 month and 4 weeks, and then he meet her husband. My friend of you wait again. He said it is sweeter. It's sweet. It's dey funny now, it's not dey funny. Yesterday when she dey talk, and so I dey laugh. She say many people say she don't wanna sing. Girlfriend, not be sing. This life, you are adult. You know wetin good for you, and you know wetin you know good for you. You understand? What that go? It made me laugh. It say sweet. It is sweet before now. Wait to my question now. Man and woman who can like that thing pass. May I not know, maybe your husband say, okay, may we do. Then you obey, you love your home, and then you don't want him to go outside. You don't want to say, oh, my starving, me reach 1 month, me reach 2 months before you do it with him. You just say that my husband, you know, for doing away, they say your body belongs to your husband. So I know, so I make you say, okay. And the thing doesn't be hungry, none of two just do together. My question be say, I want to do a back, tell me. You follow for back. You follow for back or you follow front. Because yesterday when they watch the video, I see they imagine. Say, anyway, first of all, it's good as it all come out, you know. We get, you do when we talk and come out. Not everybody come and say after 1 month she do. You understand? Many people they think na prank, not big prank, na truth, na she talk, na the real truth with that, you know. But the person no do, you know, if you contact and say in do, and even na prank at the end of the video, you go take say na prank, not big prank. Okay, you know, people we never born, they see they look up to her and they see they look up to everybody. You understand? Okay, maybe now people never born before, if you can they fear to the do one with their husband after they don't put to bed. But as she see talk and come outside, though, it good so that they'll say, okay, this also person at least don't do one before. I know say pain no day, then they will do one. You understand? But una we see they use CS, una they enjoy. You know why I say una they enjoy? Because for me, I know they like to they do saga. I know they pull out for person talk. But if I see and say the thing, I just feel like talk about it and see talk about it. The reason why they talk, she talk about that video saying she want to know, although you get through CS or you deliver am normal, she want to know the difference, whether it's good for her to do it now or it no good. My sister, you are adult, you don't do one. We not fit tell you now say it good or you no good, but on when they do one through CS. Before I start for my own conclusion, which I would try to see talk put, and then she say for her video say Percy talk and say all her home make she dey born CS. That person will talk that word, it do wrong, because people now this life, if you dey plan something, God they arrange am for you. What do you prefer? You prefer her to lose her child than she bring it out with CS? People they born with CS. Not only she start and say people they don't vote for you or you post it they born. They even like that CS because they don't want push. They don't want just just cut out remove the pick. Many people they do. So not be today. Nobody wake up to today say my just if I want born my born true CS. No. You may write that comment. That one a very touchy word because it's God that gives children and God will tell you. Many people say they deliver, they go die. Even though some people say they do that through CS, they will die. But if you now see people when see do one, they bring out the picky. Men I say follow the happy. Men I celebrate with them. Then say now come use and they mock them. You understand? Because they will never break. Now eat plenty pass. Even though you don't want born, at least you see get sisters or brothers men go born. What you wish people? Now people go say wish to you back. So it's good to wish people good so that people will see wish us good back. You understand? So that one don't go one side. Go back to our real topic today. See, now when they do through CS now they enjoy because when they deliver normal. As all of them know, I get 4 children and these my 4 children. I deliver them normal. My first speaking normal, third, fourth. All of them are normal. You understand? But me I deliver normal. I never do 1 month. Why? Because you know some people when they deliver normal, they cut their pot of soup after them, so that if your place too tight, they'll cut your pot of soup and they'll bring out the baby. If they bring out the baby, they'll come swim back. Many people they pass through that pain. They pray safe, make that place heal. You understand? Hey, make that place heal. That one are the last things when they think for that time. But you know, for our old days, mommy and daddy, they wait 3 months. They'll say, for our language, we call it and the man I fear Emma. But you know, woman when you born, say you go through CS, you know, that place never see heal. On my own, no, that place never heal, and the wound in the inside. The more you disturb the wound, you know go quick go. So now me if I ask that time when I follow enter and back, and for suppose you for talk and finish them so that people when you see the sweets, they want to see do and so that when they see no way they want to follow enter. So you need to do another video tell us when I back you and follow on a press of man do. I need to tell us so I'm not do. Oh, correct. The thing is the of body. So the thing is sweet too. Hey, so my sister, no feel wait again. So our topic, not that all the days our mama, papa they wait 3 months for the start, but this time now, nobody want who wait again. Nobody want wait. They want try to do. But for my own, no, it's good to wait so that no say some men will see green do and they'll say that place never dry. Even though you born through CS, blood must they come outside for that place. It's normal, blood must they come outside, you understand? But some men will say no, that place never heal. The place go heal first before they will go, because some men want even they hear order for that blood, you understand? But some men they don't care as that thing hook they want do, you understand? For me, as you talked before, say whether you did wrong, my sister is not did wrong. Now good and now waiting you want now you do, and then I waiting want make you happy now you do. But we maybe like say for me, oh, many people I see they born deliver, they know they quit they do. They know they quit they do because why? That place never heal and then the blood never dry. 50% or 100% for people when they born normal, so they wait at least 2 months. At least 2 months, a month plus 3 months. You understand? Because the one women that place he. But now your decision, as you see doing for 1 month, you are happy with it. It's good, it's good, it's good. But for me, I wait 2 months plus for my first daughter because I want everywhere to heal. I said before, say based on the man when you deal with some man, they know they like that blood, some they not care. They also okay, since the blood of man they come outside, when we just do the doom. You understand? So you know, for that play, we see some comments say that now for husband and wife room. She not supposed to come bring her come out. Since she don't talk her mind come out, because I still like her when she talk her mind, because many upcoming mothers they come. Maybe now some of them feel they fear, say, as a newborn, so if I go sleep with my husband, it go affect me. So if you know, say you want to see quick do with your husband, I beg, before you start, meet doctor. Some doctor, they give you 40 weeks, or they give you 2 months, or give you 6 weeks. You understand? That's close to 2 months. And then before you see the doctor, you say, okay, come check up. For Europe, I don't know. Come check up. If you tablet you need, they'll give you tablet. If you to just close the place, you don't get belly, they will just do it for you. Picking on will come. So upcoming, when I seen one that yesterday, say in our coming month that you want to learn. So if person like you want to learn, you born even a normal before you do it with your husband. Make sure say you don't get medicine, or if you don't want to get belly quick, follow your pikin. Make sure say you don't go find prevention medicine keep. Prevention medicine keep before you start to the doing. Not be the one you say, it's already I doing that day. She newborn, she doing, but she no can't tell you say I dream medicine or I take prevention. No, she no can't tell you that one. Now you know what's good for you. Before you know say you're picking the one much you want to look at, okay, she doing, you want doing, find something keep for grand. As you doing, drink the medicine. May not come be like say before your picking reach 2 months, you don't get belly for them. Maybe before some people they 9 months they don't born. You know, so many people said they do like that before they reach their picking. You said they will complete 1 year, they will born for long. So that will not be saying now she starter, not be she starter. Many people say I don't see person the day we picking they make 1 year, now that day she born. So not be she starter, not be she go saying okay, maybe 1 year, maybe let me just say 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, maybe he install like that kind 3 months or 2 months. Maybe not be that day install. If he start, you know, belly no internet, cause make it try him again. As it try him again, bam, he lock belly enter. So as the baby they reach 1 year, she born. So they open for home and abroad everywhere it they happen. But if you know, say you know one quick born, follow your pick your bag, take prevention. Take prevention to avoid. Now, momo senior momo. As my friend talk yesterday, I said no, me self has need to do my own video put, okay? Because me and the born on man, I know they quit the doing because why most of us they in pain. But at least exactly I know some already did been on 3 months before, but it's too early. It dey early because you know, even though say you get sore for body, if you dey stress for that sore, you know quick go. You understand? We know say for the from outside now, since na see here from outside now, we not go to see the for the outside now you go heal. Understand? You go heal for outside, but inside never heal because they tear like three body before they feel they bring picking come out. First one go heal, second one go heal, plus the last one that is the front one that is 3 you go heal. So in at nothing say it don't heal. Over Europe say abroad say that I will get better medicament self. Maybe like say if you use CS like this, if you dey break, you don't dey wash plate, you don't dey clean ground than Africa. I know say you go dey in pain because as I dey watch that video yesterday, I can say my friend when you dey bed sleep, now Marty take the talk say if you greet time go do like this. There is that the parable say etekariye ayiye balo. It means say if you saw go, they know they remember the pay again. Because you know say most of them they want bonus say oh my husband I don't go do it, I don't go for where if the soul don't go, the pay don't go, you must do it again. Now my friend that you the pity for and say oh hello because they do like this. You know if they talk say but me I say 3 months, 4 months say she never even do because of the pain. I don't know say the pain go. Hey, I know say you be calabar. They like how I will say, I know if you see this video, they come for me. They come for no people go say, many people they too like the tea, they too like the tea. You see, and now we see the way some more at least 2 months. We see the way upon say many of us with the born on my but people with the born on my we see the way. But since now we with the born on my now we suppose to they do one for that 1 month or 2 months, but we now we dey wait like 2 months, 1 month plus, because we want make that place here. But people, for me, people will like say that they go that through, they supposed to wait like 3 months safe, because make that whole make that so he where. So my sister, you don't know now your home, you know what you want to treat your home. If you to do it with your husband, will make you happy. They continue to do it. If you know say you get waiting, not say you want to prevent yourself, you not get belly, may not get belly. You know, so many people go talk and say, oh, if I your born 6 picking, or I just want rush but my picking may rest one. As for me, I never rest. I just want those one grow finish. Those one don't grow finish, I'm gonna not come. The thing is sweet. As my friend talk, he say it's sweet. Not true too. It is sweet. You know, say most of us, if we get belly, we know the agreement with our husband and us. Person like me. You go day in one side, I go day my own side. You know, maybe now she now before she born, her husband not the near her. Many of us, not only she, everybody. Some people not they agree, say me their husband near them. So they put us they do pick. You know, if you wait again, your husband not feel wait. That you're bago. He did. God no, guys, I don't talk my own no. So do what make you happy. If not to do it, say you go make your husband happy. Do it more, because if you can't disturb your husband, say you don't give him. If you go outside, go to do outside. So, but any man we know say your wife newborn, your wife dey in pain, your husband must understand. Say yes, my wife newborn, my wife dey in pain, and now the man say make the pain dey there. So the man need to wait safe. You need to wait until the woman get healed. If you don't heal, they will start from where they stop. Anyway, now what they want be that me now just live there. Me now no more hate comments, no more bad comments, no more hating ourselves. This life, she's adult, she know what good for her, and then she know what bad for her. So guys, here I will end my video. I hope you guys enjoy watching. If you do, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment, and then I will see you all in my next video. Bye. Please, if you want to do what my friend do, make sure you go and visit the doctor first. Let the doctor tell you that, okay, take this medicine or take this before you start doing your, okay? Bye.